English-Catalan travel phrase, is there, equals.
Yeah.
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to have fun learning Catalan today? Hey you, traveler. Today we master the tiny turbo question, is there, which in Catalan is.
Yeah.
Think of it as your magic key. Tap it, doors open. Vending machine shrugs? You ask.
Yeah.
And it dispenses answers instead of snacks. Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask smoothly and understand the replies. You'll use
Yeah.
to ask about the existence or availability of anything, Wi-Fi, water, bathrooms, tickets. Raise your eyebrows, open one palm upward, and say it clearly.
Yeah.
That's it, simple, polite, powerful. Forms and answers. Let's see it in action with common needs. Base question.
Yeah.
Equals is there. Example.
Hi ha wifi.
Equals is there Wi-Fi? Example.
Hi ha aigua.
Equals is there water? Example.
Hi ha lavabo.
Equals is there a bathroom? Negation pattern.
No hi ha.
Equals there isn't, aren't. Yes, no replies you might hear.
Sí, hi ha.
Slash.
No, no hi ha.
Pro tip. Same phrase works for singular or plural, no change needed. Mini dialogues. Act these out with me, add a friendly smile. At reception, you.
Hi ha wifi.
Clerk.
Sí, hi ha.
Password on the counter, boom. At a cafe, you.
Hi ha aigua.
Barista.
Sí, hi ha aigua freda.
You. Hydration level, hero. On the street, you.
Hi ha lavabo.
Local.
No, no hi ha aquí, però al bar sí.
You. Quest accepted. Quick drills. Repeat after me, short, confident, musical. Me.
Hi ha.
You.
Hi ha.
Me.
Hi ha wifi.
You.
Hi ha wifi.
Me.
Hi ha aigua.
You.
Hi ha aigua.
Me.
Hi ha lavabo.
You.
Hi ha lavabo.
Me. Say the negation. You.
No hi ha.
Call and response chain.
Hi ha. No hi ha. Hi ha.
Culture tip. Snackable context for real life. At Barcelona's La Boqueria, tourists ask vendors.
Hi ha.
All day to find treats. Don't confuse Catalan.
Hi ha.
With Spanish, hija, daughter. Also handy comparison. Spanish, hey, and French, yatil, Catalan says.
Hi ha.
Polite tone plus smile equals instant upgrade. Funny story. Because laughter sticks the memory. New in town, you whisper to the museum guard, is there, then confidently try.
Hi ha.
A hidden door slides open to a tiny cafe. The barista grins, pulls a lever, and a neon sign pops.
Hi ha aigua.
Yes.
Sí, hi ha.
Even the vending machine waves its tiny robot arms and flashes.
Hi ha lavabo.
The map glows and points the way. Magic phrase unlocked. Quiz time. You've got this, answer out loud. Q. How do you ask, is there, in Catalan? A.
Hi ha.
Q. Say the negation, there isn't. A.
No hi ha.
Q. Ask for Wi-Fi. A.
Hi ha wifi.
Q. Ask for water. A.
Hi ha aigua.
Q. Ask for a bathroom. A.
Hi ha lavabo.
Challenge round. Speed practice. Ready, set, go. Say the combo.
Hi ha. No hi ha. Hi ha.
Now improvise 3 new questions using the base, snacks, tickets, chargers. Example prompts.
Hi ha entrades. Hi ha carregadors.
Finish with a confident classic.
Hi ha wifi.
Wrap up. Nice work, tiny phrase, huge power. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Yeah.
In your daily life, at cafes, stations, and markets, and you'll get answers fast. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, games, and downloadables, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, curious, confident, and Catalan-powered.